Hello viewers, so in this video we will be discussing about advanced technical analysis courses. Buying and selling stock in stock market for a profit is known as share market trading. People with any education background or career situation are now using the stock market as a source of income, and it is no longer confined to financial professionals. Stock market investing offers various advantages, including employment freedom, risk control, and income even in bad economic times. During India's shutdown, one of the country's largest online trading platform saw a 20% surge in first-time investors. To begin trading, you don't need to invest a large sum of amount. All you need is to improve your ability to appraise the market and statistically judge the trend of the shares. Using multiple technical indicators or a more sophisticated indicator is common in advanced technical analysis. Technical analysis is a method of understanding a security's price movement over time. In order to predict likely future price movement, several technical indicators such as moving average are added to the price chart. 5 Circles provide the course Lakshya through our official website. Lakshya is a custom-tailored trading psychology course that enables you to master a powerful trading methodology. This course combines technological foundation with psychology, trade management, risk management, and money management. The total development of novice trader to professional trader is the focus of the Lakshya courses. We place a strong emphasis on application of principles, which is incomplete without putting them into practice on charts. The mentor, Mr. Rahul Saraugi, will devote all his time and attention to the student until the topic is completely understood. Along with paid courses, we also provide some free training videos regarding financial topics. The main pillar of our learning program is one-on-one interaction with our students. You will get all the time and attention from our mentor until your concepts get crystal clear. Your doubts and concept clarity would be given the utmost priority by our team. So Lakshya programs comes in 3 forms. First, Lakshya, that in which the session types are live. It is a 3 months program. Second is Lakshya Online. Here the session types are recorded session and you can enjoy the course at your own pace. The third program is Lakshya Plus. Again, the session type is live and the program length is 3 months. In all these programs, we provide live trading sessions. Beside the weekly 5-hour extensive interaction, we conduct 4 live trading sessions where your mentor, Rahul Saraugi, will make you understand the psychology, money management, and charting techniques to guide you through the market noises.